Welcome back to the channel. This is devlog 17. I really don't have much to say leading into this devlog. Let's get right into it. So this devlog is about the NPC creation. And here we have the NPC sprite that I'm using, which I got from Elthin's pixel art shop. So this is the original sprite, but I ended up just trimming it down and recoloring, adding some stuff just to make it my own. And that way it doesn't cause distractions and disconnect in the game. So now once we jump into Godot, we have all the nodes that I've added for this NPC, which it's pretty copy and paste different NPCs. And I have the animation player with all the different animations, which I did end up going in and creating my own animations for this NPC sleeping and then waking up once the player gets close enough. Here's the input prompt just when the player is really close, and then just the different collision layers for the NPC detecting the player getting close. We're gonna go to the mound and compare the different nodes with Mound Sword Expert, and it's pretty similar. Like I said, I added some animations to make sense for the new NPC, and there ain't really much different with the nodes. Now here we're looking at the code. We just got the basic node variables that we need. Then in the ready function, just start the idle animation, which for this is the sleep. And then here we have code that if the player is close enough and the input is if the input is pressed, the player will see. We can see the NPC is sleeping. We approach, wakes up. Now we get the input prompt. We input, we can see the text. It's a little small. That was affected when transferring to Godot 3 into 4. But we can press space to go through the different indexes. And then now that we talk to him, you can't interact with him anymore. You walk away, he falls back asleep. Go close, wakes up. But eventually I have the code to make it so once you talk to them the first time, when you go back, there'll be different dialogue. But I haven't done that with any of the NPCs yet, but the code is there. So now if we go into the parent NPC node, actually we're back into the NPC code, but you can see the different options that it gives, and then detecting the player, and then at the very bottom is just when animation ends, play this animation. Now we'll go to the parent NPC script, which is pretty simple. Just manages the panel GUI. It will pause the game so enemies and other stuff aren't playing in the background while the player is talking to NPCs. And that's all I have for this devlog and the creation of NPCs. So if you like the content, please like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching. And this is RBC Mr. Rhodes signing off for now.